What is the scientific name for the praying mantis? Mantodia. How many eyes does a praying mantis have? Two eyes. What is the primary diet of the praying mantis? Insects. What is the distinctive feature of a praying mantis? Four lines held in a praying pose. How do praying mantises typically capture prey? Ambush. What is the average lifespan of a praying mantis? Several weeks. In what regions of the world are praying mantises found? All continents. How do praying mantises reproduce? Laying eggs. What is the purpose of the praying mantis' swiveling head? Binocular vision. Which of the following is a defense mechanism of praying mantises? Producing foul odor.